Okay guys, this is Engr graphics. So this is the flyer I'm going to show you how to design and how you can get this party flyers and combine the images together, the backgrounds and the text and everything. So let me show you how to do that. You're not starting from scratch, just follow me quickly. So what I did basically, I created the background. Everything here is effects, dates and top, everything, so it's just arranged accordingly. So first thing first is how I started. I used a background, as you can see. Okay, everything is going good. Now this is the background I use. Let's open the background. Sorry, I have many folders in my Photoshop, like I group them so that I will not be confused whenever I'm looking for a folder, So like this face folder now, I name it colors and background. So all these images are the trials I use, but I didn't really use them to the end. So the ones I use. This color, so color here is brightness, protein brightness, and I increase the contrast 30, brightness 30 and minus 75, and this one is just a little splash of brush here coming out in this too. So that is for the colors and background. Why the elements are the images I brought in as the background. For example, this one that you're seeing, this party, I downloaded. You can section like let's say party flyer, party background, anything. So I just brought it in and I blow it a little with Gaussian blow. So I blow it Gaussian blow 9.6 here. Look at how it was here before. So when I blow it, you see effect. So that is that one. Now the other element here are lights, like sparkles. I just downloaded some light, sparkling light. Totally, I'll be putting it. If I should update to see the sparkles, see all the sparkles here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So let's go back to our background. So the sparkle is just to add more beauty to the design. So you're done with that, and you can position it the way you want. You can download it as PNG and maybe change the blending mode most times, but most time you can just use it like that, since PNG is the transparent picture. So you can just use it like that. If you don't understand anything I'm saying, please drop a comment. Okay, now this layer here, I wanted to give a kind of a club light, like a yellow club light. It's not really important, you can put it or not. So this one is just, I create in a layer like this, then layer, then I pick a brush to brush, then I pick a color, pick a yellow color, since that is the color of light, normal club light and some club light on it. So I just pick and I increase the size with my bracket keys, and I just tap once, and I reduce the opacity, and I change the blending mode to overlay, as you can see. So within it we have it already. Added a little brightness again, if you check, to make it brighter. Contrast 49, brightness. All this happen in the background folder, don't forget. Now the second thing I did, I added a color field, because I needed a kind of a club, like the design is about love. Ima means love, so you needed a kind of a love filter, like color, like red here. So we just put this color field. Let me show you the color I use. This is the color I use for a particular one, that is on top of the background, understand, on top. So the next thing we did was we bring in our models, As you can see, it's not well arranged anyway, so you can arrange yours the way you want. So I just crop them. I hope you know how to crop pictures. If you don't know how to crop, you can check out my previous videos. I'll show you how to crop videos, how to crop pictures from scratch. Yeah. So another thing I did, like the pictures were not too bright, so I just added a little curves to it, just drag a little bit down, and also brightness, little brightness and contrast. Then I added effects. Now if you check out this effect, this is a dust. You can see it on like PNG, dust PNG. So I downloaded dust PNG. I just took one to this place, copied it to the same place, and extend it. If you don't understand, ask question. So I wanted this place to be dark, like you see this place, so that we can hide like this, and this place does not well covered here. So I added a shadow, like I just created a new layer, then gradient. I pick black color here, and I just drag from here down. Sorry, there's a mistake somewhere. You have to change, make sure it is transparent. This is transparent, and just drag it, and it darkens that place. That's what I did there. Also gradient inside the effect. So gradient, let's check out the gradient I use. Okay, it's still black and white gradient. So there's that one is just black and white gradient, normal gradient map. You get this from here. You click here, see gradient map. Yeah, that's gradient map. That's how I get that one from. Now let's create effects. Another thing I did was the info. So this info now is just like the title, people that are performing in the event and what the event is about. So you can arrange them the way you want, but let it be neat and unique. Yeah, good. So aside that, we do something else. Event info, that is the title, like the title of the event is Engr season. So you want to know how to create this text effect. Okay, what I'll do is I'm going to drop the PSD file of this, so you can download and also edit and change. But take a look at the font name that I use. The font name, this is the font name, Wetsen 1. So that's the font name. So once you download this text effect from the description, you can write your own and it will appear like this. Yeah. So another thing, that is for the event info. Good. To another added date, event date and the music policy. So I created a box, write their names, whatever. You know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, drop a comment. And this other ones, see the same thing, not difficult. Now I added the logos of the sponsors below. You can see them here below. So now the last thing I did is adjustment. This changes everything. What is this adjustment? We have brightness. Let's open it up. The contrast, we increase it to 90%, while the brightness reduced to -29. That is on top of everything. Now if you should hide, now you see it's not well composed. If we bring it back, it's composed. Yes. Now levels, we just shifted a little bit, like just check out. I think that's 39. Yeah, 39. They only that place alone, and it gives us this club looking. Understand? Club look here. So that is it. It's simple to design. So if you don't understand anything, you can message me, drop a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That was right now. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.